Um, Example 3, we should have 6x squared minus 7x minus 1, and this should be over x minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 2. So this would separate into a over x minus 1 plus b over x plus 1 plus c over x minus 2. All right, so let's get rid of the fractions. When I do that, I'm going to end up with 6x squared minus 7x minus 1. And that is to the right, I have a into x plus 1, x minus 2, plus b into x minus 1, x minus 2, plus c into x minus 1, x plus 1. So I'm going to say when x is equal to, I'm going to say when x is equal to what? Get rid of something. I could easily say when x is equal to positive 1, when x is equal to positive 1, by doing that, I will get rid of b and c. So when x is equal to 1, I'm going to have on the left 6 times 1 squared minus 7 times 1 minus 1 is equal to a into 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 minus 2. When x is 1, b is going to go and c is going to go because x minus 1 is 0. So b is going to go and c is going to go. So on the left, I'm going to have 6 minus 7 minus 1. I'm going to have minus 2. And on the right, I'm going to have what? 2a times minus 1. This is minus 2a. If I divide both sides by minus 2, I'm going to get a is equal to positive 1. All right, I could say when x is equal to minus 1, I could say when x is equal to minus 1, now when x is equal to minus 1, I'm going to get rid of a and c. When x is equal to minus 1, I'm going to get rid of a and c. So I'm going to have 6 minus 1 squared minus 7 times minus 1 on the left. A is going to go, C is going to go. I'm going to have B into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So A and C is going to go when x is equal to minus 1. Over the left, this is 6 plus 7 minus 1. On the right, this is going to be b times minus 2 times minus 3. So on the left, I have what? 12. And on the right, I have 6b. If I divide both sides by 6, I'm going to get b is equal to 12 divided by 6. B is equal to 2. So next I need to find C. All right, so I can say when x is equal to 2, I can say when x is equal to 2, because when x is equal to 2, I'm going to get rid of A and B. So I'm going to say when x is equal to 2, on the left, I'm going to have 6 times 2 squared minus 7 times 2 minus 1. And on the right, I'm going to have, when x is equal to 2, a and b goes. I'm going to have c into 2 minus 1, 2 plus 1. 4 times 2 squared is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Minus 14 minus 1 is equal to c times 1 times 3. So 3c would be equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. If I divide both sides by 3, I'm going to get c is equal to 3. So on the left, I have 6x squared minus 7x minus 1 over x minus 1 let's put it back what it was like originally. So it's x squared minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2, and this would be equal to a, which is 1 over x minus 1, plus b, which is 2 over x minus 2, plus 1, plus c, which is 3 over x minus 2. All right.